Imagine a moment that unites an entire nation, where the hopes and dreams of millions rest on the shoulders of 11 players. England's journey in Euro 2024 has nothing been short of a roller coaster, and their recent victory against Switzerland is more than just a win. It's a statement. This match was filled with drama, tension, and ultimately triumph. But what does this victory really mean for English football? How big of a win is this? Not just for the team, but for every fan who bleeds red and white. Hello and welcome back to IM7 Talks. Today we are breaking down England's thrilling victory over Switzerland in the Euro 2024 quarterfinals and exploring its profound impact on English football. So, England faced Switzerland in what can only be described as a nail-biting match. The game ended 1-1, pushing both teams into a tense penalty shootout. England triumphed with a 5-3 win on penalties, securing their spot in the semi-finals. Now let's talk about the key moments and players. Harry Kane, as always, showed incredible leadership. Jude Bellingham was a powerhouse in the midfield, and Jordan Pickford's crucial saves were game changers. These players have really stepped up, and their performance is something we need to acknowledge. To truly understand the importance of this victory, we need to look at England's football history. Since their World Cup win in 1966, England has often fallen short in major tournaments. But this win signifies a change, a new era of resilience and consistency for the Three Lions. This is the first time England has reached the semi-finals in consecutive Euro tournaments. It's not just about advancing to the next stage. It's about breaking the cycle of past disappointments and showing the world that England is back. For the players, this win is a massive morale boost. It's a testament to their hard work and teamwork. For young talents like Bukayo Saka and Trent Alexander-Arnold, it's a defining moment that will go down in history. And for the fans, this victory has reignited a passion for football across the country. The sport has been phenomenal, and it's inspiring the next generation of footballers. This win is not just for the team, it's for every fan who has stood by them. Looking forward, England will face the Netherlands in the semi-finals. This is going to be another tough match, but with the momentum from this win, hopes are high. Can England go all the way? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear. This team has the potential to make history. The journey ahead is challenging, but the belief in the squad is stronger than ever. Thank you for watching IM7 Talks. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more insightful sports updates. Let me know in the comments, how are you celebrating this incredible victory? See you next time.